Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I'm really excited to talk to you about this great wardrobe accessory addition. Look at how great this watch by Cheetah looks on me. I'm literally obsessed with wearing this watch in any occasion. I think it looks great, elegant, and classy when I'm wearing a suit for a formal meeting. It looks cool and stylish when I wear casual clothes. So it's a very versatile watch that I can wear anytime, anywhere. Besides the looks, the quality of the watch is excellent, very well made, very sturdy. It has a nice weight to it, making it comfortable to wear even for long periods of time. It came with all the tools necessary to adjust the size, and it only took me 5 minutes to get it done. The watch is also water resistant, which is another plus. This watch has been the perfect accessory I've been looking for. And that is my point of view.